the secret weapon is to take a strop, okay? You can use a leather belt. This is a piece of wood that I glued some horse butt leather to, and then I put on 1 micron diamond paste. That just helps, but you can do this without the diamond paste, okay? And then you want to take your knife, and instead, you don't want to go into it with the blade. You want to go trailing strokes away. Okay. And you want to go at about the angle that you sharpened your knife at. Go back and forth. And normally I do like 4 micron. I go on like a 4 micron strop, a 1 micron strop, a 0.25 micron strop, and then if I am feeling ambitious, I'll go to a 0.025 micron strop. But for the intent of this video, I'm going to use just 1 strop, and I'm doing alternating passes, trailing passes back and forth, and I'm getting lighter and lighter as I do this. Less and less pressure till you have barely the weight of the knife, and then even less than the weight of the knife on it. All right, and now if we get a piece of paper, now let's see what our cutting looks like.